To connect your AirPods to Apple TV, place both AirPods in the case and close the lid. Then, press the menu or back buttons on your remote, depending on which type of remote you have. When you see the Apple TV home screen, scroll down and select Settings. Next, go to Remotes and Devices and select Bluetooth. From here, make sure Suggest Nearby AirPods is turned on. Then, open your AirPods case, but don't remove your AirPods, and put them in pairing mode. For most AirPods, press and hold the Setup button on the back of the case for 5 seconds, or until the status light starts flashing white. If your case doesn't have this button, all you need to do is double tap the front of the case instead. Finally, select your AirPods when they appear on the list of other devices. Once they connect, you should see a notification in the top right corner of your screen. After they're paired, select your AirPods to turn on Spatial audio for a surround sound experience, or change other settings. For a quicker way to reconnect your AirPods, press and hold the TV button on your remote. Then, go to Audio and open your AirPods case. Finally, select your AirPods. You'll see them appear under Headphones. If they don't appear, try putting them in pairing mode again. They should pop up. Once they're connected, press and hold the TV button on your remote. Then navigate left and select the AirPods icon to activate noise cancellation mode and change other settings. If these steps helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.